Alrighty folks, just in, fresh off the trailer, 2017 Hitachi ZX160, long undercarriage, like new undercarriage, really good pads, chains, rollers, idlers, sprockets, everything looks good. 36-inch tag digging bucket, very stout, capable machine. Isuzu diesel power, excuse me. Hydraulic thumb. There's your thumb. Right over 8,400 hours on this machine. Does have a cab. All the glass is good in it. Backup camera. Two-speed. Tearing up the parking lot. '17 Hitachi. Hydraulic thumb. 8,400 hours. Isuzu diesel power. 2-speed. You can come check this machine out here at our lot in Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, SouthernEquipmentLLC.com. We thank you for watching our video.